So, for you to track or remove that your lost phone, or for you to do factory reset to that your lost phone, you log in the email address that you log into that lost phone. You find another phone and log in the same email address to that new or borrowed phone or to that your system. So after you have logged in the same email with the phone that is with you, the same email that is in that lost phone, after you have logged in to that phone that is with you now, then you go to your after you have logged in, you go to your browser. So for me, I'm going to use Opera Mini because Opera Mini, they are giving point now. Anything that you are going to be using your Opera Mini to be doing, they will be giving you some point, and that point you later convert it to dollar. So I will use my Opera Mini. If you need your Opera Mini, I'm going to drop the link in the description of this video. So you go to your search where you can search with your Google. So you type find phone. You type find phone. Then you search it. After you have searched it, the next thing you are going to do is that you come to this option here. The first option showing find your phone. You touch it. So from this first option here where it's showing myaccount.google.com, you will from here to locate or the location of that your device. You will from here to see it. So you click it. After you have clicked it, the next thing you are going to do from here now is that the phone that you have logged in that email address to, both the lost phone and the one that is with you, you make sure you log in the email between the two phones. So after you log in, when you come to this option, after you have clicked the link which is find the phone, then the first link, the phone that you have already lost, that lost phone, you will see it here. You will see it among of these names here. Any phone that you use that email address to log in with, you will see all of them from here. So you will select the name of the phone from here. So I'm going to select one from this angle. I'll select this option here. So you click it. Immediately you click it, this up here, it will show you, you can see from here, it will show you where you can locate or track the device, because this device that I click here now is the one that I'll be using to be doing this video. So once you click another device, the location of that device will be showing here. You will be seeing the green line, the green small circle. Then you touch here or here, any of these two, you touch it, then it will direct you to the location of that your phone. Then the percentage of the phone will also be showing here. The percentage of that lost phone will be showing here. Then if you want to play sound to that phone, then you click on this option 1. If you want to mark it as a stolen phone or as a lost phone, you click on the option 2 here. Then if you want to do factory reset, you click on this third option here. And this factory reset, it will reset the phone. Everything in that phone will be formatted, which means both music, your picture, your phone number, everything, anything you save on that phone will be removed exactly the way you bought it when the phone was in the new state. That is how the same thing after using this option theory, that is how the phone will turn to just the way you buy it or you bought it, just the way you bought it from the store. After using this option 3, it will turn the phone to the same state. So that is how you format it and also locate your lost phone using your email address. Then if you want to lock the phone, maybe you have not locked it before the phone before the phone lost. Maybe you have not locked the phone before you lost it or before it was stolen. So if you want to lock it with your phone number, which means the phone number that is inside that phone, if you want to use it to lock it with another phone again, what you will do is that you go back to the first menu, which is Google there. Then you come to this second option here showing google.com, which means find up, locate, lock or erase your device. Then you click it, you touch it, it will open. Then from there now you can see from here find, lock, erase or play a sound on any lost Android device. Locate your lost Android device and lock it until you get it back. So what you do is that you scroll to the bottom, you go to the bottom option, then you click on this option here showing continue. So you click it. After you have clicked it, it will show this menu to you where you will put your phone number. So you can see from here, lock your lost or stolen Android device. So enter the phone number of the device that you want to lock remotely. So that phone that you lost, the SIM card that is inside that phone, you type the number here. After you have typed the number, then you scroll it down where you will see lock under here. You will see lock. After you have typed the number there, then you click on this lock device. So that's how you lock the device. So I'm going to, if you don't want to go to Google or all those options, I'm going to drop the link, the two link where you can lock it, where you can put your phone number. I'm going to drop the two link in the description or the comment section of this video.